automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted Wednesdays between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is switched on to the next available good weather day. The warning alarm tone will be activated for watches and warnings within the listening area. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, which is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to regular programming.
Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Penn.